Explora is probably our broadest um, database. It even has this more or less button here to see. If you go into Explora, you'll notice it has some of these services here that are subcategories within Explora in general. It has everything from a hobbies and crafts center to the science reference center. Um, you can see pretty much anything you want. You want to look up all search results for origami, and here you go and have 115 references for origami and how to create it. But one of the things that we use it mostly for is some current event stuff, and that is through the Explora secondary schools right there towards the top. Once you get in here, there are different categories for you to look up. But basically, what these categories are is a search for whatever the category says. So if we're looking for effects of nuclear weapons, what you're going to get here is the search results if I had typed in effects of nuclear weapons. And there's a lot to go over here. It will give you an overview. That's the only difference between choosing a topic from that main page and typing it in. You will get this overview. But then you're going to go ahead and see all of your results, and you're going to see ways to filter down through on the left. So if you want to limit it to full text, definitely make sure you're limiting it to full text. Full text means it's available online. If it's not full text, you will be able to see maybe a synopsis, maybe a summary of that article, but you won't be able to access the article itself. So you want to make sure you are looking at full text. You can look by publication date. If you don't want anything older than, say, 5 years ago, you can change that. You can also change by the type of source. If you only want to look at newspaper articles, you could go ahead and limit it that way. And of course, Lexile range, that's your reading level. You can limit your results through there as well. So there's a lot of way to limit down those results, but this is basically just a search engine to get articles from newspapers, from magazines, from academic journals, get some primary source documents, all of that through this database. That's what Explora is for. It is our broadest. It has everything in it, but it's a lot of information to filter through.